If a device on an XFP CAST system is registering as faulty, you can easily replace it with a like-for-like device of the same type without having to use a handheld programmer. On the panel's display, you will see the fault message telling you on which zone the fault is located, and by pressing more information twice, you will see the device name and address. First, locate and remove the faulty device. Then, back at the panel, press the menu button, scroll down to access level 3 and press accept. Input the 4-digit access code. The default for this is 4444. Once in access level 3, scroll down to commissioning functions, press accept. Then scroll down to address functions and press accept again. Scroll down to replace/add device and press accept. Next, select the loop, in our case loop 1, and press accept. Now you can input the address of the device you are replacing, in our case device 1, and press accept. The panel is now ready for the replacement device to be installed. Return to the location of the device you are replacing and install the new device. Note, if the new device is of a different type to the one you are replacing, it will be flagged as a fault. It must be the same device type and model. Once the device has been successfully replaced, the general fault LED will stop flashing and you will be returned to the replace/add device menu. Next, press escape 4 times to return to the main screen where you'll see the fault message has cleared and the panel has returned to a normal condition. For more technical assistance, check out our other videos or visit C-TEC.com.